powered by a 3.2-liter V6 engine. With an automatic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Volvo features power door locks, cruise control, and alloy wheels. Comfort and convenience features include a CD player with MP3, DVD entertainment system, satellite radio, HD radio, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.